चलो तो हिंदुस्तान चले, तुम चलो तो
Honorable Ministers, leaders of the opposition, ambassadors and envoys, Delhi's Lieutenant Governor, distinguished guests, and most important of all, tonight's award winners. Welcome to the second Times of India Social Impact Awards in association with JP Morgan. This night is one small step towards honoring these torchbearers and saying on behalf of... May I now invite Mr. Vineet Jain, Managing Director of the Times Group, to welcome this great gathering.
Winners of the Times of India Social Impact Awards, distinguished guests, as a newspaper, it is our duty to highlight the decline of governance and honesty in public life. But we also need to reach beyond the present climate of negativity and tell people that there are still many good men and women who are working honestly and tirelessly to bring about lasting change. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to give you the recipients of the second Times of India Social Impact Awards. Thank you.
May I now invite Mr. Nicholas Aguzin, Chairman and CEO of the JP Morgan Asia Pacific, to say a few words.
For the Social Impact Awards is a reflection of this commitment. And on that note, I would like to thank all of you for your support, your inspiration, your service and your contribution to making this great nation of India an even better place to live, work and invest. Thank you.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed a great pleasure for me to be present here this evening to present the Times of India Social Impact Awards for lifetime achievements. The winners of this award are a group of extraordinary people who have had the vision to look beyond everyday cynicism to a brighter horizon. I compliment Times of India Group for having established these Social Impact Awards to honor those who have created a significant impact on our society through their work in the fields of health, education, environment, livelihoods, and advocacy. I congratulate the awardees, and I can simply say you have made all of us proud. Thank you. Jai Hind.
The winners of the second Times of India Social Impact Awards. The category tonight is health. Here to present the next award is Rajesh Shah, a chartered accountant from Mumbai. After heated discussion one afternoon in June 2005, Rajesh felt uneasy and collapsed. What Rajesh didn't know is that he had a stroke. Rajesh quite literally owes his life to our winner tonight for health in corporate category, Ziqitza Health Care Ltd. Ziqitza's 1298 ambulance service is one of the only emergency medical responses in medical India. Today, ZHL operates more than 860 ambulances in 5 states and has transported more than 1.75 million people. To collect the award from Rajesh Shah are Shafi Mathur, Chairman of ZHL, Ravi Krishan, Vice Chairman and Director, and Sweta Mangal, CEO and Director. Now I'd like to ask Mr. Ravi Dhariwal, CEO of Times Publishing, to give the vote of thanks.
President Shri Pranab Mukherjee, distinguished members of the audience, I'm sure you've had a moving and inspiration evening. The stories we heard today compare with the best stories we could ever write. On behalf of my company, the Times Group, I thank you very much, sir, for being with us today. Your presence here is a source of great encouragement, not only to the winners, but to all the audience present here. I also like to thank the eminent jury who spent endless hours discussing and finalizing the wonderful stories that you heard today, and the experts who helped create the entire background whereby they could judge who would get the awards. We hope that you've enjoyed the evening, and a big thank you to all of you for coming here and being in our midst to share such inspirational stories. Thank you very much.
Jaya 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 Jaya